Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE's new on-screen marking evaluation system sparks nationwide controversy after Class 12 results 2026. Pass percentage drops from 88.39% to 85.20% as students, parents and educators allege low scoring, unchecked answers, missed stepwise marking, diagram evaluation errors and major inconsistencies between JEE percentiles and board marks, triggering demands for transparent re-evaluation, manual rechecking and review of the digital assessment process, while CBSE defends the new OSM system, claiming it improved accuracy, transparency, efficiency and student confidence by eliminating totaling errors and speeding up evaluation of nearly 98.66 lakh answer sheets through more than 70,000 evaluators across 6,000 plus centers. NEET UG 2026 re-exam scheduled for 21st June after cancellation of 3rd May exam over alleged paper leak, with fresh admit cards to be issued by 14th June and students allowed to choose their preferred exam city. Amid growing concerns over exam integrity affecting more than 22 lakh aspirants, a Supreme Court plea has also sought major reforms including NTA revamp, judicial oversight, computer-based testing, digital question paper security and a high-powered monitoring panel to ensure a transparent and secure examination system. CBSE commences Class 10 Second Board Examinations 2026 across the country, offering compartment and improvement opportunities to more than 6 lakh students, with mathematics papers held on the opening day. The examinations will continue till 21st May 2026 in a single shift, as CBSE issues strict guidelines regarding reporting time, mandatory admit cards, school uniform and prohibition of electronic devices inside examination centers. Education Minister makes big announcements on NEET amid paper leak row, NEET to go online from next year, students to get 15 extra minutes, strict crackdown on paper leak mafia promised, government says it knows the brokers operating across districts, real exam questions were shared in the name of guest papers, and entire cheating network will be dismantled as center tightens security and reform measures for NEET UG 2026. CBSE releases DRQ 2026 Tier 2nd recruitment examination results. Qualified candidates shortlisted for next stage including skill test, document verification and interview process as per official selection schedule published on CBSE website and recruitment portal. Delhi schools and universities shift non-practical classes online under Mera Bharat Mera Yogdan campaign following PM's appeal to reduce fuel consumption and promote sustainable governance. The Delhi government announces measures including work from home for employees, no vehicle day, metro usage initiatives and energy efficiency reforms to encourage public participation in environmental conservation and nation-building efforts. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.